Hello, everybody. This is going to be your week 6 and 7 video. I think it'll just be best to do one video for both weeks since we have a different assignment next week. So right now you are looking at my screen. We are looking at week 6, which starts tomorrow, June 2nd, and runs through June 8th next Sunday. This week, you are doing again two different systems, the neurologic system and the musculoskeletal system. So, for that, since we are looking at the system assignments, your neurologic assessment is going to be on Samuel Green. So, the heading title is Neurological System, and the patient is Samuel Green. You're just going to assess his neurological system. It should take you about 30 to 45 minutes to complete that assignment this week. And then for your musculoskeletal system, again, it's going to read musculoskeletal system in your course, and it was going to be for Ezra Levy. Oops, wrong button. And let me just let you know. Again, that's going to be a 30 to 45-minute assignment assessing the musculoskeletal system of Ezra Levy. So that is your week 6 assignment. Everyone is doing a really great job with these assignments. I just continue to encourage you to show empathy to your patients in your conversations, to add patient education as you can. Just be careful with making recommendations regarding maybe like over-the-counter sorts of things. We are nurses, so we can't diagnose. The patient might report that they have acne or think that they have acne, but we can't actually diagnose it. So we just have to be careful recommending those treatments. It could be something that you say, maybe it's something you should talk to your family doctor about, or I can be sure to you let your provider know so that you can have a conversation with them. But everyone is doing a really fabulous job. Hang in there. You have two shadow health assignments this week, and then you'll have two more the last week of class. So you're almost there. So that is week 6. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and tag week 7 into this only because week 7 is when you are turning in your one and only written assignment. And I want to give you guys as much time as possible to start working on that. So week 7 starts on Monday, June 9th and runs through Sunday, June 15th. The video that you see here is actually a very detailed video about this specific assignment. So I'm not going to get into a lot of detail. I just want to be sure to point you in the right direction. So the video that you need to watch is here. That will give you more details. If you scroll down here, you will see where you submit your health assessment assignment. If you click on this blue folder here, if you are somebody that is not working in the nursing setting and you need a simulated patient, right here are your two choices, patient A and B. Again, you're only using that if you don't have a patient that you can use in your work environment or you're not working in an environment that you have patients. Everyone is going to use this simulated health template. Everyone is going to fill that out either on a real patient or your simulated patient, and that should be submitted as an appendix in your final paper. That does not count towards that paper length. The maximum length, it's in that second video. I think it's like 5 or 7 pages, but look at that second video and your rubric to be sure. Bottom line is this template does not count towards that page length, but it should be inserted as an appendix, APA formatting. So make sure that you watch this other video. Make sure you're using APA formatting. And again, here is where you're turning in that paper. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, especially about this week 7 assignment. But of course, if you have anything with week 6, I am here and happy to help. Let's just keep working hard and finish strong. You guys are almost there. I am super proud of all of you and all that you have accomplished so far this semester. All right, so there won't be a new video for next week. What I will do is I will post this video in both week 6 and week 7 for you. Really, your new video for next week is about that assignment, and that is already posted for you for your convenience. Thanks so much, guys.